Hey, what's going on, folks? Today I'll be doing a quick video on 271 Performance's new turbo inlet pipe. It's an unboxing video. I already have the box open. As you can see, first thing that you see, nice little note for us. Let's see, if you're reading this, congratulations, you are now the owner of the most engineered, thoughtfully designed, and specially crafted part 271 has ever created. Every turbo inlet pipe has been casted in aluminum and hand finished to guarantee quality and superior fitment. Due to the artisan casting, every turbo inlet pipe is unique and numbered for authenticity. If you want to know more about what makes this so special, you can read about our journey to create it in our blogs. We love sharing details that help you learn how we do what we do and welcome you as you join our journey to redefine the aftermarket. And my limited part number is 01-024. So, the moment of truth that everyone's been waiting for is the inlet pipe right here. Right off the bat, this is heavier than I really expected. If you've ever taken off the plastic, the OEM inlet pipe, at least for the non-SI version, that thing is very light, made out of plastic. We know that this is much heavier, made of aluminum. Nice little engraving with the 271 logo. You get your little part number right there. Let me see if it'll properly focus. There we go. 01024. Look inside. It is just. There we go, let her focus there. Wow, it is massive. Look at the finishes and everything. Overall, very impressed. Let's see, instructions. All of 271's parts that you order, they include this. Gives you a link of the instruction guide. You can download it right from their website, or they got URLs. You can use their that mobile app, and then you got the part number there. I believe that except for the turbocharger and some of the wear and tear things, everything else has like a lifetime warranty, so I'm guessing this one does too, but don't quote me on that. It's just my guess. I did have this opened ahead of time. So within here, looks like a gasket. Just like wiring, I did recall reading through quickly the instruction guide a little bit, like a couple days ago. I guess some sort of wiring loom of some sort. Not 100% sure. Let's see. Probably one of the breather hoses. You got their little logo on there. Then you get this silicone hose. So what has me interested is that this isn't braided like the charge pipe hoses. Give me a second here. I actually still have the box for my intercooler because I haven't installed this yet. I'm trying to do this all in one hand. For example, this one, you'll see where there's those wires, I guess you could say. You could press down on it and it barely budges. But this, nothing. Not sure why. Hopefully that doesn't really affect much. There's that. I got two more things in the box. Got the nice little clamps here. And got a little bracket of sorts and the two really long bolts. So this is part 2 of the 3 parts I'm looking for before I go get retuned and hit the dyno for my FK7. So right now what I'm waiting for is the race MAF. That 271 said that they might have available sometime May. Probably expecting it maybe it'll go on pre-order late May, maybe June, and then out by late June, early July. So for those who don't know my build, currently full bolt-on with the W1 Turbo on flex. So I'm making about 300 wheel, about almost 260 torque. A couple of limitations I found on this car with my build is that my intake, have a limitation on that, have a limitation on the fuel system, and obviously the weak internals of the car. So one thing I definitely can fix is the intake portion. I need to upgrade to a larger MAF housing, which could be resolved by either going with PRL or 271. I'm waiting for 271s because supposedly their race MAF is going to be larger than PRL's race MAF. And then I do have PRL's full front mount intercooler, but decided to change it out, go 271. I love their design. Like that their intercooler is larger. So this is larger than their version 1 per se. And the charge pipe, I believe, is on one of the sides. Can't remember if it's the hot side or the cold side. One of them's much larger than PRL's. So overall, I just thought that 271 had a better design process set in place, that I think that they'd have a better product. Not to say PRL is bad, it's just that I think 271 had a slightly better design. So we'll see. But got my intercooler a couple weeks back. I just got the turbo inlet pipe. Once I get the race MAF, I'll be headed back up to D-Rob up in PA to get retuned and see what all these mods can do. Hopefully I can get close to, I don't know, 330, 340. We'll see what the limitations are and see if the motor can handle it. Until next time, thanks everyone.